Hi everyone! So today I want to show you how I make my slow cooker chicken with apples, leeks, mushrooms and bacon. I find the flavor combination in this dish to be bold and it's prepared in the slow cooker, so of course I love it. I served this dish with some mashed potatoes and it's really a comforting dish and I hope you'll try it. So in a large pot, I heat the butter and olive oil, and I will brown the chicken on all sides. And after that I will remove the chicken and I will saute the chopped bacon for about 5 minutes until it starts to brown. And next I will set the bacon aside but leave the fat in the pan. I will cook leeks and mushrooms in the same pot until they start to soften. And you will transfer your chicken and bacon to the crock pot. And then I will add the apple juice and the chicken broth, the onion and thyme, and I will also season with salt and pepper, and I will transfer it into the slow cooker. And I will cook on high for 4 hours. And you will also add the apples before cooking. And that's it. That's the recipe. I will leave the link for the recipe in the description box, and I hope you give it a try and let me know if you make it. Thank you. Have a nice day.